This denim look breaks 3 style rules, and that's exactly why it works. Number 1, they tell you don't mix denim, especially dark on top and light on the bottom. But the truth is contrast creates interest. The separation is what makes it look styled. Number 2, casual jackets should stay casual. But this is a double-breast silhouette, and the structure that it gives changes the conversation entirely. When you add some tailoring to it, it immediately elevates my entire look. And number 3, and this is the part that I have the most fun with, neckwear. Neckwear doesn't belong with denim. When neckwear is relaxed and not rigid, as I'm wearing today, and it brings a little personality instead of all the formality of a dress-up look with a tie. It's what takes ordinary casual and turns it into the unique look that I'm wearing today. Style isn't about following all the rules. It's about understanding first why they exist and knowing when and where to break them up so that they look best when wearing them. That's how casual becomes more interesting, and that's what I'm doing today. Just learn how to pay greater attention to yourself. That's like the most important thing you'll ever do, and not to all the rules that exist out there. You'll have a little bit more fun with your personal style. That's why they call us the man makes the suit.
I'm all that's come and going.